Hi everyone, I'm Erik AIFD, floral contributor for Florist Review magazine. And today I'm going to discuss with you some of the top wedding trends for 2021, including micro weddings. This year weddings are smaller, but they don't have to be less grand. So in this case, incorporating some of this beautiful candlelight and the lanterns, which are still very popular, pairing them along with these beautiful containers and some luxurious flowers and lots of texture are all trends for this year. So let's get started and I'll show you how I created this exciting vignette for weddings. To begin this design grouping, I'm utilizing these beautiful containers. They're cement and they're from Melrose International. They have this beautiful kind of chevron pattern on the outside. I have several sizes. In some of the smaller, or all three sizes actually, I've placed a glass insert inside of them and floral foam pre-soaked with floral preservative. In the larger container, I've also balled up some chicken wire, and I'm not using any water or any glass as an insert. And I'll use this as my waterless foliage design, which is a wonderful on-site thing that you can do to fill in spaces. For the ones with the flower foam, I've pre-greened each of the containers with a variety of beautiful foliages, including this fragrant bay foliage and Italian Ruscus. In the way of flowers, I'm using dramatic and bold flowers such as the large chrysanthemums, these incredible dendrobium orchids in this deep plum color, and carnations. In this new trend, it's okay to pair things that are very temperate or traditional along with things that are a little more modern and edgy. For additional texture, I'm adding things such as these incredible Japanese sweet peas and these textural eryngium sea holly, and some soft, delicate tweedia to pull it all together. Add a little bit of drape with this Love Lies Bleeding and a little unexpected element with this peanut butter plant that I harvested locally. Explore Melrose's amazing amount of product. I hope this has inspired you today to create something really magical for your brides. Get out there, sell it, and do it, and we'll see you again soon. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.